If you want me to see your videos, hashtag AMTuts2020. At me on Instagram at Mr. Ambitious A, and I'll check them out. Hey, what's up, you guys? Thank you again for joining me on AMTV. Today we're going to be continuing the King Tuts ins and out drill, but we're going to be doing gear 3 and gear 4. As a quick summary, the last time what we did was we went over ground 0, gear 1, and gear 2. If you haven't seen them already, check them out. Otherwise, this one could be a little challenging for you. With that being said, the link's in the description box below. Going into gear 3 and gear 4. Okay, so our starting position's here, right? Now going into gear 3, what you're going to do is instead of keeping your hands here, you're going to keep your hands here, and then like gear 2, we're going to be working with wrist flips, but we're going to be working with both wrists flipping. We'll go 1, flip, 2, flip, 3, flip, 4, flip, 5, flip, 6, flip, 7, flip, 8, flip, 9, flip, 10, flip, 11, flip, 12, flip. One more time. 1, flip, 2, flip, 3, flip, 4, flip, 5, flip, 6, flip, 7, flip, 8, flip, 9, flip, 10, flip, 11, flip, 12, flip. 1, flip, 2, flip, 3, flip, 4, flip, 5, flip, 6, flip, 7, flip, 8, flip, 9, flip, 10, flip, 11, flip, 12, flip. That is gear 3. Now gear 4 is a lot more challenging. So what happens is with gear 4, we combine all the things that we used earlier through ground 0 to gear 3 and add a little twist to it. So now before, what you were doing is in gear 3, we flip the hands, right? And then what happens is we go 1, flip, right? But now in gear 4, the way it works is you're still going to have the flips in it, but one hand's going to be following the other one. So if we go over, let's just go back to ground 0 for a second, yeah? So we're going to take a step back before we take a step forward. So ground 0, again, you're going from here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in gear 4, what happens is going back to that ground 0, because you got to remember each position as you're going through it. Now what happens is your hands are going to start like this, just like in gear 3. But your first hand is going to go to 1, while your other hand stays at 0. So you're going to go 1, flip. Then after that, this hand's going to go to 1, while this hand goes to 2. Flip. This hand's going to go to 2, while this hand goes to 3. Flip. This hand goes to 4, while this one goes to 5. Flip. This one goes to 5, while this one goes to 6. Flip. This one goes to 6, while this one goes to 7. I meant back to 0. Flip. And then this one again goes back to here. Flip. Right? So again, you have to know which position you're supposed to be in at what timing. Right? So slowly going over that again. This one's staying at 0, this one goes to 1. Flip. This one goes to 1, or this one goes to 2. Flip. This one goes to 2, or this one goes to 3. Flip. This one goes to 3, while this one goes to 4. Flip. This one goes to 4, while this one goes to 5. Flip. This one goes to 5, while this one goes to 6. Flip. Then this one goes to 1, while this one goes to 6. Flip. And there we go. If you find that super hard and you can't put it together at first, it's okay. Take the flips out and understand just the placement of where your arms are going to be. Okay? So just going over that alone, you're going, this hand's here, then you go to the next one. Boom. 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 Back to the beginning. Now the cool thing is, similar to ground 0, this one actually only has 6 solid positions. Okay? So again, if you're here, right, you're going, this is the first position, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then back to 1 again, right? So there's only actually 6 positions you need to remember where everything is. But again, it can be challenging because both arms are doing different things, and that's why this drill is important, is because when you're tutting, you're not always going to do same arms at the same time. Every single move is going to be happening at the exact same time with both hands. It's not how it works. You get all sorts of things that happen at different times and different moves controlling different things while you're tutting, right? So you don't want it to look the same the whole time and both hands doing the same thing, right? Again, this is all a part of what your tuts could look like when you understand these foundations of how to move 2 arms at the same time while tutting. Go over these drills as many times as you need to get your skills down. And this is only a step in your tutting journey. But again, it's hard to step on a step if it's not solid. So make sure that you practice your drills so that you get your technique down, and that way your tuts will look good. And not only that, but then when you learn the next video, it's going to be that much easier to learn. Thank you for joining me. I'm Ambitious Anthony, and until next time, why settle for less? Be ambitious.
Hey Dance Nation, when learning dance, it helps if you have the right music. So, the hip hop song of the day is, if you're a younger member, please search the clean version or the instrumental.
If you'd like to have me come into your school or dance studio, you can email me at info@ambitiousmovement.com. Hopefully, this video is helpful. If you'd like to learn more dance moves, click here. If you'd like to learn more grooves, click here. If this is your first time on our channel, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell so that you don't miss out on our latest moves and grooves.